Good morning, everyone. See here on board. Here, this is the third problem in our exercise 2. Okay. See, shade of the circles. This is A part, and this is second one. 2/3 of the circles in the box, and 3/5 of the rectangles in the box C, and 3/4 of the circles in the box D. See here, children, I already told you that fractions means if you take a full part and divide it into pieces. If you take a full thing and divide it into pieces. So here I took a cake and I divide this cake into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many parts here? I divide this cake into 8 parts. Okay, now the thing is same thing. What is the thing here? Thing is cake. I divided cake into 8 parts. Okay. Now I am distributing this cake to my brother as 3/8 of the cake. 3/8 of the cake means what? Or half of the cake. See here, half of the cake means this is half part of the cake. This is the half part of the cake. I am giving this half part to my brother. See here, if you see here, this half part contains how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Here, total parts are 8. In out of 8, 4 parts means half. Okay. If I give 3 pieces to my brother, so how much part I give? This is the part 1, 2, 3 means these 3 pieces, and this is the part I gave to my brother. Okay, so in total 8 parts I gave 3/8 part. 3/8 part means out of 8 I gave 3 pieces. Out of total 8 I gave only 3 pieces to him. So this means the fraction I gave 3 pieces. Out of 8 I gave 3 pieces. Okay. Now if you see here, half of the circles in the box A means we have to shade half of the circles in box A. Where is box A? This is box A. In this box we have circles in it. Total circles, how many circles we have? 12 circles we have. So in the 12 circles we have to fill half. Means how much? 6. 12 means 12/2 means 6. Okay, we have to shade 6 circles, or otherwise see here, this is a row 2, row 3, row 4. 4 rows are there. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. 4 rows are there. So in these 4 rows we have to shade 2 rows. Means I am shading this one, and also I am shading this one, and I am shading this one, and also it is. Okay, see carefully here. I am shading this one, and I also am shading this one. See here, I shaded 6 circles. Okay, I shaded 6 circles. Okay, this is half of the circles means this is the full box. In the full box I shaded half box and also half of the circles. Okay, now see here, 2/3 of the triangles in the box. So in how many parts these triangles are divided into 3 parts? 3 parts means 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows or 3 columns. Anything if you want anything. Okay, so see here, in these 3 parts we have to shade how many parts? 2 parts. In these 3 parts, total 3 parts we have to shade. 2 parts means we have to shade these 3 circles and also shade these 3 circles. So shade these ones. Okay. You guys have to shade this fully. Okay. I am just explaining. That's why I am pointing the line here. So you have to shade fully. Okay now. And see, third one, 3/5 of the triangles in the box C. We have to shade 3/5 of the rectangles in the box C. So these rectangles are divided into 5 parts. If you see here 1, 2, 3, 3 only. If you take row wise, it have 3 parts only. But if you take column wise, means this is one part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Okay. So in these 5 parts you have to shade 3 parts only. Okay, 3 parts only. Okay, shade these 3 parts also. And see here 3/4 of the circles in the box. So circles are divided into how many parts? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If you take column wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, but we have 4 parts only. That's why I am taking row wise. In these 4 parts we have to shade. 3 parts means you have to shade this, shade this, shade this. Okay. Okay, children. Shade these things. Okay. Shade these 3 figures. Okay, children. Okay, copy down and shade. Okay, children, see here both question find 1/3 of 1. If he asks any questions like 1/3 of 1 or 1/3 of any number or anything, if you use the of, we have to multiply. We have to multiply that numbers. Means here 1/3 of 12 means what? We have to multiply 1/3 and 12. So simply 1/3 into 12. If you multiply 1 into 12 by 3 means here the numerator of the fraction and a whole number we have to multiply. Okay. So what is the numerator? 1 and the whole number is 12. So 1 into 12 by 3 is equal to 12 by 3. Okay. In 3 table 3 is 1 time and 12 is 4 times. So what is the answer? 4. So 1/3 part of 12 is 4. Means if you divide 12 into 3 parts, 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So here 3 parts. In this 1 part is 4. 2/3 part of 12 means what? In 3 parts, we have to take 2 parts. In 3 parts, we have to take 2 parts means 2/3 part equal to 8. Okay? Do you understand? So like that, solve okay, this is a homework 2/5 of 15, 3/9 of 27, and also 4/3 of 18, and last one is 5/12 of 16. Okay, do these 4 problems as homework, children. Okay, children, bye. Thank you. See you in next class.